Hey students, look, I have got some fresh vegetables. You can see vegetables of different colors, sizes and shapes. In every kitchen, these vegetables are used to make soups, salads, curries and many more dishes. Boys and girls, vegetables contain fiber, vitamins, minerals and many other nutrients which are good for our health. That is why vegetables are protective food. Now, what is protective food? Food which protects us from diseases. Food which protects us from falling sick. So, we will discuss these vegetables one by one and their health benefits also. This is a lady's finger. This is also called okra in some other countries, and this is the most liked vegetable by the small kids. Some vegetables are white in color, like this cauliflower, radish, and we make crunchy salad with this radish. It's full of fiber and very good for digestion, and children love eating gobi parantha. And some vegetables are green in color, like green French beans, or these are green chilies. Do you like to eat green chilies? I think you like. Students, these are some leafy vegetables. This is cabbage. Cabbage comes in a little dark green and red color also. It contains lots of fiber. These are spinach leaf. It's good source of iron and calcium. And these are coriander leaves. It adds color and flavor to our dishes, curries. Wow, colorful capsicums. Capsicums are also called bell peppers. Learn a new word. Cap, C-A-P, cap, S-I-C-U-M, capsicum. Capsicums or bell pepper come in different colors like green, yellow, red, orange and even purple too. Green capsicums are a little bitter, but red and yellow are sweet in taste and they can be eaten raw also. And it adds color and flavor to our many dishes. See, these are the vegetables from gourd family. G-O-U-R-D, gourd. A new word for you. It starts from letter G. And most of these vegetables are grown on vines or climbers. Climbers are the plants which climb on trees or supports, and some of them, like this pumpkin, it's big and heavy, so these are grown on creepers. Creepers are the plants which creep on the land. So this is bottle gourd or ghiya, pumpkin. It comes in yellow color also. These are bitter gourds, bitter gourd or karela, and this is sponge gourd or tori. This is a cucumber. All these vegetables are green in color and good source of vitamin A and iron. See, this is a tomato. It's red in color. Learn a new word. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Tomato. It starts from letter T. Tomato. It's very good source of vitamin C, and vitamin C protects us from diseases. We eat tomatoes raw, as salad and cooked. These are carrots. Commonly we get red and orange carrots. In winters we get red carrots, and in summers we get these orange carrots. Carrots are full of fiber and it's rich in vitamin A, which is very good for our skin and for our eyes. These are shelled peas. I have got some shelled peas, and peas are found in covers or shells called pod. P-O-D, pod. Okay, now here comes king of the vegetables, a brinjal. This is also called eggplant. It has got a crown on its head, that is why it's called king of the vegetables. It comes in different colors, shapes and sizes. We can see white brinjals, green brinjals and these purple brinjals. Some brinjals are long and some are round like this. Some are very small and some are big. These are a few things without which every vegetable or every Indian curry is incomplete. These are potatoes. Children love eating French fries, wafers or chips which mama makes with these potatoes, and aloo parantha too. Your mama must be putting it in cauliflower, brinjal, capsicum and many other vegetables also. These are onions. Onion is considered as queen of the vegetables, and these herbs are very important and very good for our health. This is ginger and this is garlic. Boys and girls, some vegetables we can eat raw. We can make salad with these vegetables. This is a radish, carrot, cucumber, tomato, cabbage and onion. Ask your mama to cut all these vegetables, squeeze a lemon over it. Your plate full of salad is ready, and relish it. Hey kids, hope you are in the best of your health, and after watching this video you would make vegetables a part of your every meal. And dear parents, please wash all the vegetables with clean water to make them dirt free and to get rid of any harmful bacteria or germs. So stay healthy, eat healthy, stay home, stay safe.